Hi, my name is Sidi. I'm 20 years old. I am born and raised in United States in Colorado. The program I decided to take was the Culinary Program with World Unite. I think cooking was something I grew a passion for over the years. As a kid, I was never really interested in food, but in my growing years, I decided to start to pursue it more and more, and I think I just fell in love with it. I am a former worker at Urban Farmer. It is a steakhouse in Denver, one of the top 5 steakhouses in Denver. I was a broil cook there, and I worked there for about a year and a half before I decided to come work over here. I have a love for Asian culture in general. Japanese culture in general has been a pretty big part of my life. I grew up learning Japanese in high school, and my teacher really recommended me to learn Japanese cuisine, so I just started from there. In Japanese culture or Japanese kitchens, they emphasize more on perfection rather than speed. And in American restaurants, I think they prioritize speed over perfection. I think Japanese cuisine has a very high emphasis on fresh ingredients and precise cuts. At the restaurant I was working at, we worked with a lot of yellowtail. In Japanese, it's buri. We had burikatsu, buri daikon, which is very Japanese, like stewed, or rather like braised soy fish with daikon in it. I think future interns can look forward to the most for this experience would probably be learning the process of making everything. The restaurant I was working at had a pretty good emphasis on making everything from zero, like the broth, their burikatsu, their sushi, the rice, everything from scratch. I think would probably be what you're most looking forward to. I think the basics of Japanese seasoning, where you use soy sauce, salt, vinegar, and sugar, and dashi. Dashi is a fish-based stock that either uses water, kombu, which is seaweed, and some other fish component like bonito flakes, but you can also mess around with that and use flying fish or salmon or any like fish carcass if you really need to. And depending on how you use it, you can either have a more mild flavor or a fishier flavor or a more seaweed flavor. It's very versatile, I would say. I think dashi is the biggest thing that's a game changer for me. Dashi is the most like playable stock I've been able to use here, I guess I should say. And I guess the usages of green onion or local ingredients, I would say it's the biggest game changer for me. I definitely learned a lot of the dishes I was mainly interested in, like omurice or nikujaga, or again, buri daikon. I think those were the main dishes I really wanted to learn. I wanted to learn more like family-oriented Japanese dishes, if that makes sense, like the super Japanese dishes. I know there's like a fish egg, like fish sperm sack dish. It's super Japanese, but it's pretty good. It was pretty off the wall, not American dishes, I would say. I have no doubt that will continue to use Japanese cuisine in my future. My starting goal as a chef was to master all cuisine as a whole and create my own culinary style. Coming here, I've decided I want to try a French-Japanese fusion for my style, and I've been coming up with some ideas, but I'm not there yet, but I think that's where I'm gonna lead off to. The best advice I'd probably give, which one of my friends gave me before I came, was to keep open mind. You're gonna make mistakes, and just be ready to learn how to overcome them and not be consumed by them. Learn the language a lot more than you think. I know a pretty significant amount of Japanese. I wouldn't say I'm confident in it, but I think that would really help out a lot.